Hello again and welcome to the third video tutorial. In this video, we will learn this topic, so all about FireDAC data access library, steps to build database apps using FireDAC, populating data into the list view, list box, and more. FireDAC is a universal data access library for developing applications for multiple devices connected to enterprise databases. With its powerful universal architecture, FireDAC provides a common API for accessing different database backends without giving up access to unique database-specific features and without compromising on performance. Features of the FireDAC. FireDAC datasets are built on top of a powerful data access engine. This is lightweight, effective, and a flexible engine can be used directly in applications and servers as a powerful foundation to the datasets API. FireDAC is easy to use and T dataset discounted classes including TFT query, TFT map table, TFT stored proc, and TFT table. Dataset classes that are highly compatible with the original BDE datasets and client dataset, local SQL engine for executing SQL queries and against datasets. And also, FireDAC has array data manipulating language (DML), common execution, and common batches for batch applications and for minimizing network traffic. Cated updates mode with ability to track correlated changes for several datasets with cascading updates. In addition to universal DBMS connectivity, FireDAC also supports native database drivers that give you first-class access to the powerful and advanced features that make each database unique. And also, FireDAC supports mobile developments, for example, Android and iOS for Interbase, Interbase 2 Go, and IB Lite, and also SQLite. Now it's time to demo. So start by adding FT connection and open this connection editor, SQLite driver, and the database employees SCB. Test it. Okay. And we can select this one to false, connected to true. And now we can add list view component and client. We can select this toggle design mode and select the item property, appearance to major list item right button, this one. Okay, come back and select this view, present the bindings designer and select this one. Create a data source with FireDAC and it's connected, and the common type is query. Now we can write our query. Select name, department, seniority from employees, order by department. Test it. Test command succeeded. Okay, now we can select next. We can add data source navigator, but I don't need it. So finish. And it's generated some components to our project. This one. Okay. So for this bind visually. Now we can bind this data to our list view. It populates the data, our application to our application. So select name to item text, this one, seniority button text, and department to item header text. So that's it. Now we have to configure our application to runtime. So now wait TF degrees wait cursor, and also we need with SQLite driver link, this one. Okay, so select the FT connection events and create with a connect procedure. So now we have to add system IO utils module and FT connection one params values. This for the database, and we have to show the path for our database. So tpath.combine, tpath.get documents path, and employees.stb. Okay, so here is the code. You can see this one. System.utils. To connection, it has parameters, values, and database. That's it. So now we have to open up the deployment manager, and we have to include our database file. So this one, open, and it's remote path assets / internal and again / okay, close it. Now we can run our application. So here is the application running on my Android device. You can see it is, and this is it. I want to show you in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.